Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to create a sidebar with icons. So let's get started. So the first thing, come and press Shift and Enter so that you can have the skeleton of what you're going to be using. Then you can you can give the title of your output. Let's give it a, let's say, dashboard. And I think that's look good. Then you can include a link just here for the CSS styling. So there you go, you have our own link which will help us when you're doing the CSS styling. Then we'll jump into the body, and in here is where I'll be doing most of the work now. So you include a link using the itaker. Then inside the link you can include a class, an icon class. Whenever you initialize I in HTML, it automatically knows that you want to use the icon class. So by just pressing the I, it understands that you are going to use the icon class. So we can include an icon, let's say home. That's now our icon. So we might want to include also the text, so that our icons, some have maybe some text, so you can just say home. Want the home icon to have the text home. Can come down here also and create another one. Maybe let's say globe. Globe. So this will be for social. Also, you can include another icon bar having some text. So let's say trash for deleting. You can include others like clipboard. And clipboard might stand for academics. Then you might also like to include maybe for an institutional icon. can just say university, and here it want now to say maybe it's an icon for admission. Admission, and there you go, guys. Have created icons with text. So what's left here is just now the styling. As you can see, we have not styled them in any format. They are just text with icons. So we can do some styling here, and this is where the CSS comes in. So you can just do it here. So any styling that you are going to do in this in our output or on the icon bar and the sidebar, it will be done here on the styling. The styling inside the styling tags, yeah, the start tag and the end tag. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's do some styling. So you can start by styling the body. So here on the body, you might style the margin and set it to 0. Link. Looks better. Then we might also want to style the background color of the whole body. So include the background color. So let's add aquamarine. You might want to do some blue stuff. I think that looks better. So you might just want to include your color, your favorite color there. Then also we can font. Yeah, we can add a different font. Maybe we can modify the font. So this basically will modify the font of the text in our body. So you might want to include the second one, so that in a case that whenever your browser or your editor notices that the first font is not there, the second one can be used. So the second one here is included as an alternative. Yeah. So now let's jump to the sidebars. So you can just style the sidebar. So inside the sidebar, you might want to style the height, so the height of the sidebar, let's set it at 100, yeah, 100%. So also you might want to style the position. In that the sidebar should be fixed, so the position, I can say a fixed position, fixed. Then again, we might want to style the Z index, yeah, the Z index, and we set it at index 1, yeah, looks great. Then you can do something at the top, at the top. Top. Also the left of the sidebar, can just also put it at 0. Don't want to modify much of the top and the left side. So you can also do the styling of the overflow whenever the text is doesn't fill on the size of the sidebar. So overflow, you can just do the hidden on, just a hidden. Then the padding, yeah, and do some styling on the padding, and we set it to top. Then top, yeah, let's say top 16 pixels, yeah. Then also still on the sidebar, we can change our background color and make it look a little bit better, yeah. So the background color, can set it you can also choose your favorite color. I can say green, yeah, and the background color be green. So and there you go, guys, we have styled up our sidebar. So as you can see, there are no changes yet on the sidebar, but let's come and add something here. So guys, let's add something here. So class sidebar, then add also something here, class active, so there it is, guys. And then let's do some styling on the a tag. So let's add some styling on there. So on the side tag, let's call the class sidebar tag. So there it is. So we are going to do some modifications inside here. So let's start with the display. We want our display to be in block format. So block. Then we want to align our text, so we can use the text alignment element. Text align element, that is, so we can align our text to be on the left. We can also do some padding here. So let's do some 10 pixels. Yeah, I think that is great. Also, we can do some transition. So transition. The transition we can say all 0.3 seconds is, yeah, I think that looks great. So you can see on my output editor how the modification are being done, or the styling is taking place. Then also here you can add the color to the tags, to the a tag, the elements in the a tag. So let's add this color to 10, 24, 24. There we go. I think it looks good. But I'm not a fan of red. So let's change this one to something like 236 here, 241, 241, then 236. 236. Yeah, let's create white here. I think now it looks great. Now let's continue to the font size, where we might want to change the font size of our text on the sidebar. Font size. So let's do some 19 pixel. I think 10 pixel looks great. Yeah. So also we can do some styling on the sidebar. The hover on these links. As you can see here, you can't see anything as I am moving mouse along the links. So let's do some styling there. So whenever you move your mouse over there, you might see a hover. So sidebar, I think it looks great. Now inside we can add a color. So let's say background color of the hover, yeah? Background color. Background color. So background color. Let's give it a let's just give it. You can just give your hover any color. So any of your favorite colors. So let me give it this one here. I think now you can see the color of whenever I'm moving my mouse around the links or the bars, you can see some changes. Yeah. So as I move it down, the hover moves with it down. So we have added a hover. So also you can do some styling on the main. So inside our main tag, we can change some things on the margin. So let's say margin, the left margin, can say let it be 160 pixels. Yeah. Also we can on the main also we can do some padding. So on the paddings we can say let's say 0 pixels and 10 pixels. Yeah, looks great. Then also inside the active class, so for instance this is the active class, but you can see it doesn't have any difference with the other. So you can do some changes here so that whenever you are on this, let's say home bar, there is a distinct color to show that that's the active class here. So let's come down here and add some styling on the active class or on the active bar. Yeah? So the color, so that whenever you are in that you are able to know that you are in that class or you are in that bar. Yeah. So background, let's add some background color and let's say red. Yeah. So you can see our changes I've applied here, so that whenever you're on this, like for instance I'm on home, so because it is the active class, so the color is red. So whenever you move, let's to admission, the color there will be red. So there you go guys, on the active class I've done some styling there. So and there guys, our sidebar with icons included looks great. So there you have it folks, and now you are equipped with the fundamental skills of creating a sidebar with icons. Yeah, so remember to practice, because practice makes perfect, and keep experimenting various elements here in the tags, so that at the end of the day, yeah, it's all about practicing and being consistent. Yeah. Then if you found this tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and also hit the bell icon, so that you can always be updated whenever I upload another video challenging concepts of HTML. Anyway, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment on what you want me to do next. Yeah, on the comment section. I read them and I reply to you. Yes, anywhere you see some problem or any query, you can just comment me or reach me on my just comment on the comment section. I read all your comments. So thanks guys for watching. Yeah, happy coding. So bye bye, see you in the next video.